ça?
C'est les nénuphars.
Ah.
Tu veux des bisous? Des gâteaux.
Des gâteaux.
On appelle des fruits de pain. Crevettes séchées.
Et ça, c'est quoi?
Bon, on est ça des gars, bon. Crocodile.
C'est vrai?
Oui.
C'est du crocodile séché?
Et crocodile. Et là, c'est le bœuf. Ah non, bœuf, buffalo, c'est ça. Hein?
Ouais, buffle. Je crois buffalo.
Et ça, c'est le... Ça, c'est le bœuf. Oui.
C'est crevettes que vous utilisez le plus?
Oui.
Ouais.
Il y a deux types différents de crabes. Quand tu vois comme ça,
Ouais.
ça c'est femelle. Ça c'est mâle.
Comment tu reconnais?
Hein?
Comment tu reconnais avec ça?
C'est ça.
Ah.
Ça c'est femelle, ça donne les œufs.
Ça y est, c'est la fin des courses.
That we can mix together for my food. It's a special food for my family. It's not my family with my husband. It's from my mom, my dad. When I was with
Okay,
them.
yes.
នេះជាប្រភេទសាច់ទី1គឺជាសាច់ត្រីសាច់ត្រី poisson.
Ah, Trey, c'est poisson.
ប៉ុន្តែសាច់ត្រីនេះគឺយើងបានទុកវា45ថ្ងៃមិនមែនជាវាអត់ fresh ណាវាអត់សាច់ត្រីថ្មីទេ C'est pas très frais. Elle a gardé déjà 40.
Ok, c'est quoi? Mais c'est quoi?
យើងប្រឡាក់វាជាមួយនឹងអង្ករលីងរំដេង mélanger avec le riz
Galanga.
galanga ជាមួយអាហ្នឹងហើយនឹងអង្ករលីងហើយស្ករត្នោត c'est le riz grillé
Ah, ok.
ហើយជាមួយនឹង
Ok.
ហើយជាមួយនឹងស្ករត្នោតយើងទុកវា45ថ្ងៃ c'est le sucre de pain.
Ok, et elle fait tout toute seule?
Ouais. Yeah.
Oh.
ស្ករត្នោតអានេះជាមួយនឹងdu riz du riz sauté.
Ouais.
Elle fait sauter à la poêle. Après,
Elle écrase.
Des crasses avec le truc là.
Ok. Avec le pilon. Là-dedans.
Ouais, elle mélange tout ensemble et elle garde pendant 45 jours.
Ok. Après, tu le cuisines avec quoi? Avec le poisson, la
Avec
viande?
le porc.
Avec le porc.
Sach Chrouk que Sach Chrouk. Le porc, on prend le porc avec les grains.
Avec la graisse?
Avec la graisse parce que ça donne le goût. Si seulement la viande, ça donne pas trop de goût. Ok. ហើយសម្ភារៈដែលយើងត្រូវធ្វើអាហារម៉ាំឆាគឺយើងមាន je sais pas expliquer en khmère on appelle mam.
Ok.
Mam.
Et après, ça, c'est feuille de kaffir.
Ça, c'est mam. Hein?
Même.
Mam.
Mam.
Yeah.
Mam.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Ça, c'est plutôt une recette qu'on trouve pas au restaurant et qu'on trouve plutôt dans les...
Parce que je pense les Européennes et tout, c'est pas manger, mais bon, mon mari, il aime bien. Et puis là. Elle a
Ah, avec le sel pour les bactéries.
Oui,
Ok.
ប៉ុន្តែសម្រាប់គ្រួសារខ្ញុំលាងអំបិលស្អាតហើយត្រូវស្រុះសាច់និងម្សៅទៀតបើប្រជាជនទូទៅគឺគាត់លាងប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយគាត់ហាន់តែម្ដង I mean that for my family before I make cooking I have to use with the hot water to clean again.
Okay.
Con biết tên nào vậy?
No, the más papa.
Sạch như vậy nha. The meat and the meat of fish. And we keep inside during 45 days, so it already cooked.
Okay, cook inside.
Yeah. Sometimes we can eat directly. I show you. We can eat directly. No need to use.
Can I try?
Sure. No need. Just one and we eat directly. Yeah.
It's very good.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Sometimes
really
we
like.
eat with the pork also, but pork we will cook with the hot water, well cooked, and we mix like that.
Okay.
So they used to eat with that.
It's very good.
So use that.
Et là, on va griller les poissons là-dessus.
Ouais.
Génial. Oui.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Collecting
Ferronnier la
Ferronnier.
lucide. Ferronnier lucide.
Et c'est ça. Dedans, maman elle a mis le sel, le piment et l'ail.
Et là, ouais. Et ça, vous l'utilisez pourquoi?
Pour manger avec les poissons et tout. Et ça peut garder longtemps.
Garlic. We just take some of garlic to make it a good smell.
You fried a little
Use
bit.
the other one. A little water, not too much,
Okay.
to make the pork well cooked. Yeah.
Oh, it smells super good.
Période de la saison des pluies, on peut trouver dans la rizière.
D'accord.
Et là, c'est pas la peine qu'on achète au marché, parce qu'on peut trouver facilement. Je vais mettre ici pour maman est là.
មើលសាច់មើលដើមឈើប៉ុណ្ណឹងខលខាតតាមពី3ហ្នឹងចូលទៅការងារដល់អំបិលមកឲ្យចាប់ឲ្យខ្ញុំនិយាយឯងតែមិនចាំគាត់ទៅលេទៅ
Elle
C'est du quoi?
mélange avec crevettes séchées. Il y a sucre dedans aussi mélangé. Et il mange avec le truc acide. Au Cambodge, on aime bien manger les...
Je peux goûter comme ça? Ça se mange comme ça? Oh, c'est bon ça aussi. Comment t'appelles ça?
Ambal. Ambal bok.
Ambol bok.
Oui, mais là, c'est ambal ligne parce qu'elle fait sauter à la poêle.
Cook like 2 minutes, then you put water, then again maybe 3-5 minutes.
5 minutes we use that.
Okay.
Use
Yes.
yeah. You know the special ingredient? For my house, I use less, but For Cambodian people, they use too much this one. I use, but use
Little
less.
bit.
Country.
Thai fermentation. And you eat this often?
No,
No?
I made this one because I'm a cooker and I'm a seller also for now. During the COVID-19, it made me to go back to my my family product. This one is my personal family product. It's only the formula from my
For your family.
grandfather, grandmother. Yeah.
Ah,
That way I
amazing.
go back to produce this one to sell in the market.
Cool.
Because of the during COVID-19, it's really difficult for economic.
Yes. You couldn't cook.
Yeah. But this one is very expensive, so difficult for some people. They buy a kilo, half a kilo,
Okay.
something. So I make the food like that, like this. I just package a small package, $1 or $1.50, something.
Nice.
But so I don't eat every day, but I make for selling.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you make it every week? You do another one?
Yeah, we do in processing.
No.
This one, there are 3 kinds of processing.
Okay.
The first processing, when we clean the fish without bone, fish bone, without fish bone, just only the meat of fish, and we cut it. After we wash, we keep it with the salt, too many salt. Example, a kilo of fish or big fish, we use a kilo of salt. But exactly not the solely salt, we use with this salt. Exactly, it's with this salt, we use with that.
Big salt. Oh, very big salt.
This one is the real salt. We put in 7 days. In 7 days, so we clean on the smell of the fish with the salt.
Okay.
And we just take out only the meat of the fish.
Okay.
Yeah. And the water inside of the bigger pot, we throw away.
Okay.
And we use the meat with that I told you, with the galanga, with the rice, and salt a little bit, and
the palm sugar.
yeah, palm sugar. And we put more than 40 days.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
totally 47 days or 45 days.
To make
something
it.
like that.
Okay.
Yeah, to make it.
The whole process. Ah,
Yeah.
cool.
So take long time, but
Yes.
we are happy because it is from the old family. It's a unique food in my family also.
And your family, the old family came from Siem Reap also, or countryside?
Phnom Penh.
Ah, Phnom Penh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only me stay in Siem Reap. My sister, my 2 sisters, and 1 brother.
Yes.
And my parents.
In
they
Phnom
all
Penh.
In Phnom Penh.
Okay.
Because I prefer to have a husband here. That's why I am alone. Okay, then.
And Siem Reap is really nice.
Yeah. 5 minutes more, it's finished.
Perfect.
Because nearly no water inside.
Okay. When it's
Yeah.
no water, it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Bé ấy ăn trên nó bọn ập rồi ăn trên.
Oh, it's vegetable for the
Yeah.
for the pork.
Yeah. For in the countryside, if you don't have this one, we use only this one. Everything that the green color that around the house, they can go out and take this one,
Okay.
and we can eat. But in the city, we have to buy.
Of course.
Yeah. In the countryside, when they eating, they don't catch. They don't cut it.
Okay.
They use directly. Yeah, something like that. Something. And make this one and put inside.
And they eat like this directly with the hands.
Yeah, directly like that. But in the country, they are modern living, so they cut it.
Okay.
Yeah. Lạnh. Ủa cái lạnh cái nhang một lạnh. Mà. Hả? Mình ăn nè. Cơm cái ăn ơi, ông ơi, cái cha ăn. Bye bye.
Okay.
This one. Or sometimes I need this one also.
Okay.
Just a little, not too much. A little.
Yeah, it's
And we
It's
use
a
with
lot.
that. With that. Here.
okay.
And after that we put inside.
Okay.
With the natural spoon.
It's amazing. It's really, really, really.